Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Robinhood app. First, download the app from your app store and create an account using your email. You'll need to provide some personal information for verification, like your social security number. Next, link your bank account to easily deposit funds. This process usually takes just a few minutes, allowing you to quickly move money into your investment account and start exploring opportunities. Once your account is funded, finding stocks is easy. Use the search bar at the top to look up companies by name or ticker symbol. When you find a stock you like, tap Trade and then Buy. You can specify the number of shares or a dollar amount. To sell, simply navigate to your holdings, select the stock, and choose Sell. It's a straightforward process designed for quick execution. Keeping an eye on your investments is crucial. The main screen shows your portfolio's overall performance, including daily and historical gains or losses. You can create custom watch lists to monitor stocks you're interested in but haven't bought yet. Robinhood also provides access to all your essential documents, such as Form 1099 for tax purposes, directly within the app, making record-keeping simple. Beyond basic trading, Robinhood offers more advanced features. You can set limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, rather than the current market price. For experienced investors, options trading and cryptocurrency investments are also available directly through the app. Remember to check the description for links to these features and other great deals. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab some Little Trees black ice to keep things fresh on your next drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.